For decades, we thought of orcas as a single species, the killer whales, apex predators that roamed the oceans with unmatched intelligence and complex social structures. However, recent studies have unveiled a hidden depth to these magnificent creatures. Scientists have discovered compelling evidence suggesting that orcas may not be one species, but rather two distinct types: resident orcas and transient orcas. These two types, while sharing the same waters, lead remarkably different lives. Their social structures, hunting strategies, diets, and even physical features set them apart. This discovery has sent ripples through the scientific community, challenging our understanding of these animals and raising important questions about their conservation. The differences between resident and transient orcas are so profound that they rarely interbreed despite living in the same geographic areas. This separation, scientists believe, stems from their divergent lifestyles, which have shaped their behaviors and even their genetic makeup over time. Recognizing these differences is not merely an academic exercise. It has profound implications for how we understand and protect these animals. By recognizing them as distinct entities, we can better tailor conservation efforts to meet their unique needs. This new understanding is crucial for ensuring the survival of both resident and transient orcas for generations to come. Resident orcas, as their name suggests, are homebodies with a strong attachment to specific coastal areas. They are highly social animals, living in large, stable family groups called pods. These pods, often consisting of dozens of individuals, are led by an experienced matriarch, typically the oldest and wisest female. These orcas are the ultimate salmon connoisseurs. Their diet consists primarily of fish, particularly salmon. They have developed sophisticated cooperative hunting techniques to catch their slippery prey. Their calls, a complex symphony of whistles and clicks, echo through the water, coordinating their movements and herding fish into tight balls for easier capture. Resident orcas are highly vocal animals, relying heavily on communication within their pods. Their calls are distinct, and dialects vary between different pods, much like regional accents in humans. These vocalizations are crucial for maintaining social bonds, coordinating hunts, and passing down knowledge through generations. The resident orca's life revolves around family and food. Their strong social bonds and specialized diet have shaped their behavior and evolution, making them remarkably adapted to their niche in the marine ecosystem. Transient orcas, unlike their resident counterparts, are the nomads of the sea. They travel widely, covering vast distances in search of prey. They are also less social, forming smaller, more fluid groups that often consist of a mother and her offspring. Their diet is as different from residents as their lifestyle. Transients are the ultimate marine predators, feasting on a menu of marine mammals. Their prey includes seals, sea lions, porpoises, and even other whales. Their hunting strategies are stealthy and precise, relying on surprise and coordinated attacks to subdue their prey. Transient orcas are masters of disguise. They're often seen spy hopping, poking their heads out of the water to scan the surface for potential prey. They are also known to swim silently, minimizing their echolocation clicks to avoid detection by their prey. The transient orca's life is one of constant movement and hunting. Their adaptability, stealth, and diverse palate make them formidable predators, perfectly equipped for their nomadic lifestyle in the vast expanse of the ocean. The differences between resident and transient orcas extend beyond their behavior and diet. They also exhibit subtle but distinct physical variations. These physical adaptations reflect their divergent lifestyles and feeding habits, further solidifying their status as separate species. Resident orcas tend to be slightly larger than transients, with females reaching lengths of up to 26 feet. Their dorsal fins, the prominent fin on their backs, are more rounded at the tip. Their saddle patches, the grey or white area behind the dorsal fin, are typically more open and less well defined. Transient orcas, on the other hand, are slightly smaller, with females reaching lengths of up to 23 feet. Their dorsal fins are more pointed and often have a nick or notch on the trailing edge. Their saddle patches are typically more closed and well-defined, resembling a closed fist. These seemingly minor physical differences are significant clues to their evolutionary history and ecological roles. They underscore the distinct paths these two types of orcas have taken, adapting to different environments and prey over millennia. The discovery of resident and transient orcas as potentially separate species has sent ripples through the scientific community, sparking debate and driving further research. Some scientists argue that the genetic and behavioral differences are significant enough to warrant classifying them as distinct species. Others caution that more research is needed to fully understand the extent of their divergence and the implications for taxonomy. This debate highlights the complexities of defining species boundaries, particularly in highly intelligent and adaptable animals like orcas. It also underscores the importance of ongoing research to refine our understanding of these fascinating creatures. The recognition of resident and transient orcas as distinct entities has opened up new avenues of inquiry, leading to a deeper appreciation for the diversity and complexity of life in our oceans. It serves as a reminder that the natural world still holds many secrets waiting to be uncovered,